Hey guys, I'm currently here at Walmart in Americus, Georgia, and thanks to Second Chance George, I might be about to buy my first China-made knife ever. He did a review on a Swiss Tech knife, and I absolutely love the thing. I'm gonna check it out in here. There it is right there. Hey, can I see that Swiss Tech knife there?
There you go. This folder here.
Uh-huh.
All right. There you go.
Thing is nice, you know.
Oh yeah.
I seen a review on YouTube today.
What they have to say about it?
They said it was a nice knife, well made. It's got carbon steel in a stainless steel blade, and it holds an edge really. It's easy to just sharpen. And it's got the canvas type.
Yeah, that's a pretty utilitarian, well thought out grip.
It is.
This right here is not quite as utilitarian.
Yeah.
But I kind of like it.
Knife.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yep. Let me see that. Yeah, I think I like this one better. And but 29, right?
Yeah. I was supposed to say 30 on it, I believe. Be scared. But you got 29.97.
Oh yeah.
Say 30.
Got the canvas micarta handle, ceramic ball bearing, thumb disc flipper.
Yeah, they look like a pretty solid knife to me. I've seen spring assisted knives that don't open that smooth.
Kershaw is about that well. Got the liner lock. I really like it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna. This stick even got one of them in the SD Classic. Okay, well, Swiss Tech has a fixed blade knife too. Any chance that I could check one of them out too? SD Classic. Yeah, it looks a little. I always have them on my keychain. You keep the.
I keep a Victorinox Huntsman.
Yeah, yes you do. Yes, you do. A Victoria Knox.
Well, it's about the same size knife.
Yeah.
Blades are a little bit heavier.
That's so cool. And how much are these, Roy? Feels really good.
Does.
$12. Man, I like the way that feels. Got tweezers, toothpicks.
Yeah.
Appreciate that. $12, huh? Is that the only color you got?
That's the only color I've seen these in.
Okay.
Yeah, you're looking at about $11.88. You might as well round roll up the taxes to it.
Yeah, I got I saw in another Walmart that they have some Kershaw, the green ones, the blur, I think it was. Do y'all have those?
Yeah, it's I think I saw one in here lately.
It's USA made too, ain't it?
I'm not sure where those are made.
Yeah,
some of them made in China, some of them made
USA
in the
made.
US. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think these are like 60-something bucks.
They're not cheap, I can tell you that much.
Yeah. I just love. See, I keep a blur on me. Right there, it's USA made. I redid the tip on this knife.
Yeah. 68.
$68.
Yep.
I might have to convince my wife to get me one of these because I love the green.
Oh yeah, yeah, it's a pretty well thought out knife.
Sure is.
$60.
$60. This is the Leak, USA made. We were just talking about the safety latch back here. Nice knife. Thank you, buddy.
Anytime.
Morning, guys. It's the next day. It's a little cool this morning in my shop. I was thumbing through YouTube yesterday and I come across this channel, Second Chance George. And it's a good channel. It really is. The guy's really great on giving reviews of knives and other stuff. If y'all haven't heard about his channel, y'all need to go check him out. He's really good. But I've seen these knives before, Swiss Tech in Walmart, and they look good. I looked at them. I'm like, man, these are good looking knives. But you know how I am about China-made knives. I just don't want to buy them. And I was thumbing through YouTube. I come across his channel, and I'd be darned if he wasn't doing a review on one. He did it like 2 months ago. But he was talking about that knife, and the way it flicked out and the way it looked in his hand, it got me wanting one. So I went and checked it out, and it's just hard for me to buy one. It's just hard for me to buy one. But I did buy one. I bought my first China-made knife ever yesterday. I like the knife. I cannot deny. And we're fixing to take a look at it close up. And I'm going to be wearing this knife for a month. I'm going to give you a solid review here a month from today. Today's December 1st, January 1, the first day of the new year. I'm going to give you a good solid review of that knife, because I'm going to be using it every day. This is going to be one of the only knives that I carry. I usually carry about 6 knives on me. I have a problem. I know I have a big problem. I can't help it. That's just the way I am. That's the way I've always have been ever since I got out of the Marine Corps. I like to have knives on me. I like to feel like I'm prepared for anything I encounter. Well, I'm going to carry that. I'm going to get rid of the blur for a month. I'm going to get rid of my little Spyderco. I'm going to get rid of my Zippo. So for the next month, I'm only going to be carrying this Swiss Tech knife. They call it a Wurdig, W-U-R-D-I-G. Wurdig is a German name. It's German. And my camping case knife that I always carry. And when I do have my keys on me, I will be having an SD Classic, because I have one of these on my 4Runner keys and my F250 keys. So that's the only knives I'm going to be carrying. So it's going to be a big challenge for me. So, but I'll give you a good solid review here January 1st. So let's get a closer look at this knife that I'm about to carry for a month. Okay, here it is. Swiss Tech. It's got a magnetic box. The box is pretty cool too now. They really designed this. See how it closes? Stays secure. It's got a 3-inch blade, 4-inch handle. And I just love the way this feels. It's like a canvas. And it is a canvas micarta handle. Thermoset resin combined with layers of canvas cloth provide a durable and textured grip that gets grippier when wet. See what I mean? It just feels so good. And I like the clip can be put on both sides of the knife. Pretty cool, but hear that? Just check that out. And this pocket clip is pretty strong. It's not, I'm telling you, this knife feels really good. It's perfect in your hand. But let's go over this thing. AUS 8 steel titanium coating. High quality Japanese steel, built sharp and durable, but not over hard to allow for effective resharpening over time. So it's like a stainless steel with carbon steel in it, and it's easier to sharpen. Thumb disc. It's this here, right here. Stair-stepped anodized aluminum disc provides maximum leverage for smooth and comfortable thumb opening. Let's remove this guard here. It's got the liner lock, which I love. But watch how smooth this is. Ain't that cool? That is so smooth. It's even got the back flipper back here. And that's almost as smooth. It's just what they call here the back flipper. That is, that little, no, it's really, don't protrude out too much. I've seen some that's really out there. But low profile, see what I'm talking about? Low profile back flipper for fast and smooth opening. A ceramic ball bearing. Ceramic ball bearing ensures ultra smooth opening and ease of use. Very easy to open. I can sit here and do that all day. The lanyard hole, red anodized aluminum accent. There it is right here. With included reflective fleck lanyard cord. Let's see what we got. Oh, check that out. There's the lanyard cord. And there's the little, I guess you could put this in a bag. And this just tells you the story about Swiss Tech. I think the company was started in Wisconsin, if I remember right, but the knives are made in China. And I think these are sold exclusively at Walmart. This is designed and developed in the USA, but it's made in China. The lanyard here, I'm going to be putting that on here. What do you do? There it is. My first China-made knife ever. Just can't believe I'm doing this, y'all. Just can't believe it. I'm going to be giving you a solid review in a month. I'm going to be using it. Again, this is going to be one of the only knives that I carry every day. And I should have a great opinion on this knife after a month use, because I use knives all the time. No more blur for the month. No more Zippo. The only knife I'll have on me is my little camping knife. Them two will be on me. Plus my little knives on my keys. The little SD Classic. That's going to be it. And of course, my Zippo. My other knives that I carry, Spyderco, all those are going to be gone now. Anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I just want to say God bless y'all, and thanks again for all the support. And until we meet again, it'll be like a good night. Stay sharp.